So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, keeping the chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake into that left wrist and then up to the elbow and all the way to the shoulder. Then onto the right wrist, the elbow and the shoulder, and we'll do both arms together. And standing on the right leg, we'll shake into the left ankle, up to the knee, all the way to the hip. Onto the other side, into that right ankle, the knee, and the hip. And bring the feet back to hip width. We'll inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms back. So it's an exhale down, inhale back up. So keep the knees pointing forward. So make sure they don't drop in towards each other. And just make the movement as dynamic as feels good for you. So remember, nothing should hurt. So if this doesn't feel good, then stop. And bring the arms down. Alright, we'll bring the left leg over the right, aiming to get the toes in line if we can. Bring the right arm up. We'll inhale, exhale over to the left. Coming back to center. So inhale, lengthen up first. Then exhale over. Come back to center. Inhale and exhale over. Now we'll hold and breathe. Then bring the arm down and round. So swapping the legs over, so right over left. Left hand on the hip, right arm up. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Coming back to center. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale over. And back to center, last one. Inhale, exhale over. Keep breathing. Bring the arm down and round. Alright, so balance pose. We'll do the cross crawl. So standing on the left, bring the right leg up, knee bent. And take the left hand to the outside of the knee. And if you can hold steady there, twist at the waist. Keep breathing. So come down, do the other side. So standing on the right, we'll bring that left leg up. So once you're steady, take the opposite hand to the outside of the knee. And then twist at the waist towards that bent knee. And coming down, so we'll do two more each side. So standing on the left, bring that right leg up. Bringing the hand to the knee. Twist at the waist. Now if you want to go further, bring the arm up, shoulder level, palm facing forwards. And see if you can hold there. Now we come down, do the other side. Standing on the right, bring the left leg up. Right hand to the knee, twist at the waist, and then maybe bringing the arm up. And coming down, so we'll do one more each side. Standing on the left, bring the right leg up. So try with the breathing. So inhale, exhale, hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist at the waist. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm up. Inhale, exhale, look to the hand and keep breathing. And coming down, so last one. Bring that left leg up. We'll inhale, exhale, hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm up. Inhale, exhale, look to the hand. Hold if you can, keep breathing. And coming down. For standing pose, we'll do warrior two. So we're just doing one on each side. So I'm going to turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. Keep the shoulders above the hips. Try and keep the knee in line with the toes. Arms shoulder level. And just gently look along that front arm. Now keep the pose active, so if you can, sink a little deeper on each out breath. Remember, nothing should hurt. Just make sure it still feels challenging and not too easy. Now we'll come out and we'll do the other side. So turn that left foot 90. So gradually working into the pose. Bring the arms up, shoulder level. Turn and look along that front arm. So engage the arms, so feel the triceps working underneath the arm bones. But the main thing is to keep breathing. When you hold on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And we'll bring the arms down and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.